Hello guys, so today I'm gonna do my first vlog in my car to do a review or unboxing. So today basically we have a very exciting news. So we have this, right? So this is basically a new Note 10 Plus that I just received on 22nd of August, and I pre-ordered this on 8th of August. Just immediately the pre-order is open. So this Note 10 Plus, it's cost me 4,200, but the benefits or the perks to buying this on the pre-order timing is you buy the 256GB, but you get a free upgrade to 512GB. So this is a very interesting offer because the original price for 512GB is 4.8K. So yeah, so this is basically a very good deal, and in fact we have additional warranty, which is it covers 2 years, and we have a special gift also. We have a wireless power bank, original from Samsung. So sorry for the maybe need to adjust a bit. Alright, looks good. So I choose the white color. Let me try to unbox this first. Sometimes actually. Oh yeah, for the information, I record this using my old Galaxy Note 9. Actually my Note 9 is still fine, still working perfectly nice, functioning well. But the reason why I'm upgrading is first because of the ultra wide angle lens, and the second is the storage in here, which is 512GB. This is awesome. So this is the box if you ordered through Lazada. Let me try to unbox this first. Please bear with me, it may take some time actually. And for the record, this is the very first time I'm doing the review or unboxing ceremony, and I'm recording it. Just to remind myself when actually I'm wasting my money for this kind of thing. Yes. Right. Almost there. And here it is. In a very well package. Right, so nothing more inside. So now I'm trying to open this. Maybe I need to cut this as well. Yep. Alright, so we have a special note from Samsung. Let me read this. Dear valued customer, please be informed that you must use the phone and surf the internet at least 5 minutes by 31st of August to ensure Samsung system able to capture your internet connection to active Samsung Protection Plus. Samsung Protection Plus program warranty will be voided if the above is not done before time frame given. Oh my god. Now it's already 24th. I've been delaying this already 2 days, so I'll make sure myself to connect it to the internet before the 31st August 2019. If it's not, then it will be void, a 2 years warranty plus. Please take note, yeah. This is from Lazada itself, I think. Thank you for shopping with us. Need assistance? Doesn't bother. Right, so this is the tax invoice. right? First thing first, this is the Samsung wireless battery pack. This is the free gift for this year. If you buy it separately, this one costs you 279, I believe. This is a faster wireless charge, original from Samsung. Oops. And here's the main event, Samsung Galaxy Note 10. It's a pre-order unit. I don't know whether the camera will pick up or not, but this is a pre-order unit, as you may see. And here state that it's 512 gig. This is very massive, right? It's pretty weird because it's still sealed. If I'm not mistaken, it should be unsealed because you need to register for myself, but it's okay. For this version, I selected a white variant. So basically for Malaysia market, basically we have 3 color options. The first one is Aura Glow, which is a very shining, silver shining like mirror finish. The second one is Aura Black, and the mine is Aura White. So my previous Note 9 is Aura Black. I'm sorry, it's just black, right? So this year I'm making a changes to pick white. So white will be my new black, right? So let us start to unbox this retail version of the Note 10 Plus. See, pre-order unit. Right, Bismillah. Alright. Ta-da! It's not that easy actually. It's quite tight. Ta-da! Okay. So first thing first, you will receive this. I believe here there's a lot of things. Includes the soft case, free silicone case from Samsung, and some other stuffs like their warranty card and whatnot, which normally I never use it. Yeah, absolutely. You have the manuals, the warranty card information, and also the free case from Samsung. And here you also have the SIM ejector tool, right? What else in the box before we go straight into the phone itself? Woo! You can see already. So you have the power brick in white for the white version. You have original AKG earphone also in white. That's pretty legit actually. And the USB Type-C to Type-C cable. And this can charge to 25 watts. But this phone, for the record, it supports 45 watts. But you need to buy the power brick separately, which I think is maybe it costs around 200 bucks. And something I really disappointed this year, this is the clip, I mean the extra clip for the S Pen that they provided this year. But there's a very unfortunate, this year they did not include the, what we call, something if you want to transfer the data from our old device to the new device. There's something, I forgot the name already. I've noticed this in other region review actually, but it's okay. I have mine in my previous Note 9 phone. Wow, look at this phone, bro. Look at this. This is Samsung Note 10 Plus. You can see the reflection of my old Galaxy Note 9 there in white, Aura White. Oh my god, this is awesome. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm not regretting to choose the white version. It looks so clean, it looks very very good. See? Okay, so let me check the S Pen. The S Pen also in white. Wow, that's very beautiful. Very beautiful device. So the main changes in this year is the triple camera lens setup. So basically the difference from the previous Note 9 is the additional wide angle lens. So basically it enables you to take pictures or even videos in a very, in a very wide or extra frame from the original main camera. Alright, so maybe that's pretty much it. I'm gonna set up it afterwards because now I'm actually far away from my home, so I need to connect to Wi-Fi to actually set up this phone. I'm gonna do it later, and maybe I need to process the video that I take in this phone in my Note 10 Plus, because in certain review that I've watched in YouTube, this phone has built-in video editor apps which allow me to do maybe some good editing. But please bear in mind, this vlog just for fun, just to share the review, to share the experience of the unboxing. Alright, the unboxing experience actually. So I've talked too much, just to share you how beautiful the phone is. It's pretty, it looks gorgeous. Wow. I might be uploading the video comparison, or in fact the image comparison, for photo comparison, sooner or later, and my experience of using this phone compared to my Note 9. So if you love this video, maybe consider to subscribe. It's a very new channel, I would say. And thanks for now. Enjoy your day. See ya. Peace.